Okay, we're taking a look here at the JBL Live 675 NC headphones. These are on-ear headphones that have the true adaptive noise canceling. Now these are on the budget end of pricing, but I think that they are really good headphones for the price. And what I mean by the price is right now at a local Costco store, these things are only $60. They were $100, so they marked them down. But right here, gives you a look at what they look like here. They do go on the ear and not over the ear, so that's something to keep in mind. But they got the JBL Signature Sound, true adaptive noise, control your sound with an app, the JBL app. It's got the Bluetooth 5.3, up to 65 hours of battery life and speed charge. And you can connect between Bluetooth devices, so you can have this thing hooked up to your computer or your phone at the same time. They'll switch back and forth, which is a nice little feature, especially at that price range. That's pretty good. So the JBL Live 675 NC headphones.